Hi guys. It's been a few days. We've had some bad weather. We had some rain. I guess I kind of gave up in the rain about a week ago. It's been a really busy week, and I'm just getting back to buttoning up this timing belt change on this EJ205. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to torque up these guys. These are all 29 foot-pounds, and we're going to lay the timing belt over it to see if everything matches up, and hopefully we should be able to get the timing belt on. This one here lines up precisely. Let's just move you over. Lines up precisely with that mark. This one's going to line up with this mark here. Now, I am being careful because I'm moving the I'm going to keep these are just kind of floating around. All the valves right now are closed. Alright, so let's take a look at this so far. So we have the belt right on here, on the mark. We have the belt right on the mark here. We have the belt right on the mark there. So right here, we don't have this cam rotated yet. So this is going to be the tricky bit. I'm going to pull the belt back. I'm going to pull the belt back off this, and then we're going to rotate this guy clockwise and hold it. And I figured it's going to be easier to use the hex key on this. So what I'm going to do is locate this on. I'm rotating this one clockwise, and I'm holding this up as high as it will go. I may just want to move the engine on a little bit, but so that one's locked in place, and then we should just be able to oh yes. Alright, and okay, so let's take a look at this. So let's take a look. So that one's on the right place. That one's on the right place. That's on the top. That's on the top. That should be on the side. So yeah, that's looking good. So all we need to do now is, and I'm not sure how the heck, oh there we go. Okay, try again. Okay. Alright. Pull the pin on the tensioner. Let's just check the routing. That goes under the bottom there. This is going, so the flat surfaces are going to the back of the belt. It looks right. So pull the pin on the tensioner, and we are done. Let's just take a close look at that. Alright, so all the marks are lined up. Mark, mark. I guess this one's special because it's dotted. I hadn't spotted that on the gate's timing belt. But direction of rotation, pretty sure it was right. Sure hope so. I can read the writing here. This one's right. Nothing's moved here. Yep, that one's correct. So, hey, really pleased that this has worked. Now I'm going to go and edit this up and put it online.